This is the stock variance report in WooCommerce. What account found and what it cost. Nine lines counted here. The scanning is the boring part. The report is where account pays off. $75 counted. 5 lines came back different, 10 units missing, and $77.40 of stock. Nothing has been written to your stock yet. This is what the count found, not what it did. Line by line, what was expected, what was counted, the gap in units, and the same gap in money. 44% of the counted lines matched exactly. $108.20 is missing, $30.80 turned up extra. Those are two different problems, and one net figure would hide both, by category, so you know where it is happening. The 3 uncounted lines keep their current stock and say so. Export it to CSV or Excel when someone without WordPress access needs to see it. Stocktake for WooCommerce is free on WordPress.org. Link in the description.